In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set pre-order products on Shopify if you want to capture demand before inventory arrives or continue selling while items are out of stock. Pre-orders are a great way to keep revenue flowing and set clear expectations for customers. We'll walk through the exact process from logging in to configuring your pre-order settings. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login, then sign in securely using your usual method, whether that's email and password or a supported sign-in option. Once you're in your Shopify admin, open a new browser tab and head to apps.shopify.com, which is the official Shopify App Store where you can safely find tools that extend your store's features. In the App Store search bar, type Preorder BAT. You'll see results for pre-order apps designed to replace the standard Add to Cart button when an item isn't available yet. Look for an option that clearly supports variant-level pre-orders, custom button text, and flexible payment rules. When you've found the one you want, click to open it and choose Install App. Shopify will bring you back to your admin to confirm installation. Next, you'll be asked to grant access permissions. This is normal because the app needs to read and update your products, manage buttons on your storefront, and sometimes create draft orders. Review the permissions carefully, then approve to continue. After that, follow the on-screen prompts. Most apps provide a short onboarding wizard that helps connect to your theme and walks you through basic settings. Now choose which products or specific variants should be available for pre-order or pre-sale. This is useful when, for example, only certain sizes or colors are coming soon. Apply the rule to just those variants so everything else sells normally, then customize your button text to make things crystal clear. Options like pre-order now, reserve yours, or coming soon help set expectations and reduce confusion. Consider adding a short note next to the button with an estimated ship window to keep buyers informed. Finally, decide how you want to handle payment. You can accept full payment up front, which is best for cash flow, a partial payment or deposit, which balances commitment with flexibility, or a reservation without payment until stock arrives, which can build interest with minimal friction. Whatever you choose, be transparent about timelines and policies so customers know exactly when to expect their order. Once you complete these screens, your settings will apply and your chosen products will display the pre-order experience you configured. That's it. Your store is ready to accept pre-orders while keeping customers informed and confident about what comes next.